Hello students, you are welcome in the lecture number 6 of a chapter of solid state. In the last lecture, you have seen the crystal systems. You have seen that the scientist Bravais have showed 14 different type of arrangements of unit cell. And those 14 type of arrangements are classified into 7 categories. Those 7 categories we have studied, followed by the calculation of number of particles in 3 basic units. The first one is primitive or simple cubic crystal. Second is body centered cubic crystal. And a third is face centered cubic crystal. We have seen that BCC and FCC, that is body centered cubic crystal and face centered cubic crystal, are modifications of simple cubic crystal. In calculations we have seen, in the simple cubic crystal SCC structure there are 8 corners and 6 faces, but at each corner 1/8 particle is present. So totally 1 particle is present among 8 corners, but faces are not occupied at all, edges are not occupied at all. In the second one, BCC structure, what we have seen? We have seen that besides 8 corners there is one more particle present at the center. Among 8 corners we know there is one particle present, because at each corner 1/8, that is 1/8 particle is present at each corner. Therefore 8 corner constitutes 1 particle, and one more particle is present at the center of body. Therefore totally 2 particles are present in the BCC structure. Whereas in FCC, face centered cubic crystal, we have seen that besides 8 corners all the 6 faces are covered by half particle. Each face constitutes the half particle, half circle. 6 faces are there, half into 6, that gives 3 particles, and one more particle is present among 8 corners. Therefore totally 4 particles are present in the face centered cubic crystal. Those calculations we have seen in the last lecture in detail, followed by relationship between molar mass, density and age length of unit cell. That expression we have studied, and finally we have arrived up to the expression rho, that is density. Rho will be equal to small n into capital M divided by small a cube multiplied by capital N small a. So what are those terms in that equation we have seen? Rho is nothing but the density of unit cell. Then small n is the number of particles present in unit cell. Capital M is the molar mass, molecular weight of the substance. A cube, small a cube, where a is age length, and for cube we know it's all the 3 sides are of same length. Length, height, width are same. Therefore AQ is nothing but the volume of unit cell, and capital N, A, that is nothing but the Avogadro's number. That expression we have studied in detail in the last lecture. In this lecture we are supposed to study these points: packing of particle in crystal lattice, then coordination number, close packing in 1 dimension, close packing in 2 dimensions. It is of 2 types: square close packing where coordination number is 4, hexagonal close packing where coordination number is 6, and this type of the arrangements. So let us see it one by one. packing of particle in crystal lattice. We know constituent particles in the crystalline solid are either ions or atoms or molecules that we have studied. Whenever charged ion is a constituent particle, it is known as ionic crystal. Whenever atom is the constituent particle, it is known as covalent solid, network solid or cross-linked solid. And whenever molecule forms the constituent particle, it is known as molecular solid. We have seen those examples also in detail in the last lecture. Those particles may be ions or atoms or molecules are very close to each other, because which type of substances we are studying? We are not studying liquids, we are not studying gases, we are studying the pure crystalline solids. And we know that in the solids there may be atoms, there may be ions, there may be molecules, but they are very, very close to each other, such that the distance between them cannot be measured. And that is known as packing of particles in the crystal lattice, because they are very close to each other. How they are packed, how they come close to each other, how is their structure obtained, that part we have to study over here. Now henceforth, it may be ion, it may be molecule, or it may be atom. I am considering that as a sphere, ball, like this. Sphere is the particle. So wherever I am explaining the particle, you have to keep in mind that I am considering the sphere, circle, sphere. That is a filled sphere, that is nothing but the particle. That particle may be ion, may be atom, or a molecule. Now, what is meant by coordination number? The number of spheres which will touch a particular sphere is known as coordination number of that sphere. For example, see here, I have drawn this diagram. A is the sphere at center. At center, there is one sphere I have written as A. It is in touch with how many spheres? 4 spheres. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these 4 spheres are touching the given sphere A. Therefore, coordination number of this given sphere A is considered to be equal to 4. You got it? What is meant by coordination number now? Coordination number is nothing but the number of spheres which will touch the given sphere. So I have considered here given sphere A, and this A sphere is touched by 4 other spheres. Therefore, coordination number of this sphere A will be equal to 4. If it is in touch with the only 2 spheres, coordination number will be 2. If it is in touch with 6 spheres, at that time coordination number will be equal to 6. If it is in touch with 12 spheres, coordination number will be equal to 12, and so on. Now you must have got the idea about a coordination number, that coordination number is nothing but the number of neighboring spheres which will touch the given sphere is the coordination number of that given sphere. That coordination number is important to explain these arrangements. Now let us see these arrangements, how the close packing take place in the crystal structure. First type of close packing is nothing but the close packing in one dimension. In the last lecture, I have told you what is meant by one dimensional structure, two dimensional structure and three dimensional structure. With the help of these 3 chalk example, I have told you how x-axis is located, how y-axis is located, how z-axis is located. That I have told you. In between x, y and z, we may look in two dimensional that the bond angle is 45, but it is not 45. It is always equal to 90 degree. In between x and z, since that is the three dimensional structure, bond angle is 90 degree, not 45. In between y and x also, this bond angle is also 90 degree. In three dimensional structure, the bond angle is of 90 degree. So how close packing take place in one dimension? Means it is only one dimension, x axis, only one axis, and spheres are following one by one in only one dimension. So this is a first sphere, followed by second, followed by third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 and 9. All these spheres I have showed in only one dimension. Only one dimension. So it is known as a one dimensional arrangement, close packing in one dimension. Now see here what happens to coordination number. We know the coordination number. Coordination number is nothing but the number of neighboring spheres with which the given sphere is attached. Now see here, suppose this is the sphere I am considering, written as 1. This sphere is in contact with how many other spheres? Means other particles, 2, 1 and 2. So coordination number of this is equal to 2. If you consider this one, it is in association with how many other spheres? 1 and 2. Therefore coordination number is 2. If you consider this one, it is also in contact with 2 other spheres. If you consider this, it is also in contact with 2 other spheres. Therefore coordination number in one dimension is equal to 2. But if we study the first sphere, first particle and last particle, can you tell me what is coordination number here for first particle and last particle? Is it 2 or 1? It is 1. Because first sphere is in contact with only one sphere. So coordination number of this is 1. If we consider the last sphere, this is also in contact with only one sphere. Therefore coordination number is 1. It means that in two dimensional close packing, first and last sphere, that is first particle and last particle, we will have coordination number equal to 1. But all the remaining spheres from number 2 to last minus 1, everywhere each sphere is in contact with 2 other spheres. Therefore coordination number will be equal to 2. For this structure, for this type of the structure, see, there are 2 important things I am explaining: depression and crest. What is crest? Crest is like this. This part is a crest. And what is depression? Depression is this part. You got the difference between crest and depression. What is meant by crest? Crest is this part of sphere, upper part of the sphere. And depression is the part where 2 spheres are in touch with each other like this. So this is depression where 2 spheres touches each other, and crest is the part where that sphere has a separate performance. It is not in touch with this region is not in touch with the other sphere, is known as a crest. So this is about the close packing in one dimension, where coordination number is 2 or maybe 1 for last and first particle. Now close packing in 2 dimensions. 2 dimensions. X axis is one dimension and y axis is the other dimension. So in 2 dimension, how packing take place? It take place in 2 different manner. First type of packing is square close packing, where coordination number is 4, And the second type of packing is hexagonal close packing, where coordination number is 6. Let us see first one, square close packing, where coordination number is 4. Square close packing. See, this is the one dimensional layer. This one dimensional layer is followed by the second layer, which is also one dimensional. This is followed by third one dimensional layer, fourth one dimensional layer, fifth, and so on. How the layers are arranged, that is important part. That is important part. See, this is a layer where in one dimensional manner particles follow each other. Above that a layer, other layer is placed where crest of first sphere and crest of second sphere are touching each other. Crest of second and crest of second, they are touching each other. Crest of third particle, crest of third particle touching each other. In that manner, all the crests are in touch with each other. Here also, third layer crests are in touch with second layer crest. Fourth layer crests are in touch with third layer crest. In this manner, if the first layer is A type of layer, second is also A type, third is also A type, fourth is also A type, it is known as A type of arrangement. Because all layers are stacked one above the other in such a manner that crests of each other are touching each other, and that is known as A type of the arrangement. If we see this arrangement, if this is the central one, this sphere is in touch with how many other spheres? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if we join the centers of all these 4, we will get this type of structure, square. Therefore, it is known as square close packing. Why coordination number is 4? Because this is in touch with 4 other spheres, 1, 2, 3 and 4 spheres. This circle, this sphere is in touch with 4 other spheres. Therefore, coordination number is equal to 4. Coordination number is 4. And why it is square? Square close packing, because if the centers of all these 4 are connected each other, we will get this type of square. So it is known as square close packing, A type of the arrangement. Now one more arrangement, hexagonal close packing arrangement, where coordination number is 6. See how that take place. Here in this arrangement, see the trough or depression. Here depression is followed by the crest of second. Depression is followed by the crest of second. Depression is followed by the crest of second. So if the first layer is A layer, second is not A, second will be B layer. Again third will be A layer, fourth is B layer. So this is known as AB type of arrangement. And in this arrangement, if we consider this as a central one, central sphere, it is in touch with how many other spheres? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, it forms this type of hexagonal arrangement. Coordination number is 6. Coordination number is 6. And this is the hexagonal type of arrangement. See, we have the models. We have prepared the models from thermocol. You will easily come to know these 2 type of arrangements. Can you easily tell me what type of arrangement is it? Is it A type of arrangement or AB type of arrangement? Can you come to know without I am explaining it? This is A type of arrangement, because crests of this layer and crests of second layer are touching each other. Crests of third and second are touching each other. Crests of fourth and third are touching each other. Therefore, A, all are same. This is known as A type of arrangement. And if we study this one, it is in contact with how many other spheres? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we join the centers of all these 4 together, we will get square. So it is known as square close packing, where coordination number is 4. Now, if we see this one more, second arrangement, can you come to know, is it A or AB? This is AB because in the depression of first layer, crest of second layer are placed. Then in the depression of second layer, crest of third layer are placed. And in the depression of third layer, crest of fourth layer are placed. So if this is A, this is not A, this is not similar, this is B. Again this is A, again this is B. So it is known as AB type of arrangement. If you see the coordination number for this, it is attached with how many other particles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is in touch with all the 6. Therefore, coordination number is 6. If their centers are in contact with each other, connected together, we will get hexagon. Therefore, it is known as hexagonal close packing. Now, if you compare this, can you tell me the shape of empty space? See, which is the empty space? This part is known as empty space, hole. Hole means empty space or void. Void space or empty space. So here these are the voids, empty spaces. What is the shape of empty space? What is the shape? It is square. This is square. And what is the shape of empty space here? Is it square or triangular? This is triangular. So, which one is bigger void space? Whether bigger void space is present in A type arrangement or bigger void space is present in the AB arrangement, it is more in A type of arrangement, and empty space is less in the AB type of arrangement. Therefore, in hexagonal close packing, triangular empty space, that is a less empty space, more coordination number, more crowding, means less void space. Whereas in the square close packing, coordination number is less, void space are more. Coordination number is less, void space is more, means crowding is less. That is there about two type of these arrangements, two-dimensional arrangements. Now what is the three-dimensional arrangement? That part we will see in the next lecture.